Alright, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Benny here. What? Oh, I know. She got me floor mats. Didn't put them on. Should have put them on. They're pretty dope looking. They're Omaja, right?
Yeah.
Omaja? Omoju? Something like that?
You're like, you have like the, you got from like the glasses, you got black spots like all on your nose.
Oh damn, okay. So we take that, take two. What's up? I'm just kidding. No, so what we're gonna be doing today is, I got hit up by Luis to come take pictures, about here by Hamul. So I said, fuck it, why not? Let's go take pictures. I'll probably take some video. I'll finally get to use that stabilizer I bought a while back. I didn't get to use it because fucking all shows got canceled, everything got canceled, and it was just like, alright, okay then, cool. So we're gonna go ahead and cruise some back areas of Hamul. So we're gonna see how that goes. Other than that, it's the first time I've driven out in 2 weeks. Just driving fine. I got a flat tire, I got it fixed. I had to get this emergency one. It's a mismatch, but it's okay. It's okay. We're gonna get the wheels redone anyways, so we're good. This one's a little meatier. There's a Michelin right here, and then over here a Falcon. I like the Falcons. They're a little bit thinner on the thin wall. So just showed up.
And there's another spot down there. There's another one, Paul. Like you go get in the middle, but it's hard. It's like,
Cause cars?
Cause yeah, you gotta drive, be inside the car and then air it out, and then wait, and then this car's gonna be like, get the fuck out the way. You gotta move out. I don't know where you want to take it.
Is this the first one? Is this the first spot you're talking about?
Yes. You could take it up there, the hill, or right here in between, see? Yeah. Or like more down there where the trees are in.
Oh, watch out! These cars are quick.
We're quarantined. Right now we're quarantining.
What did it do?
It's just weird.
Does it do that? So originally planned, this black gate was not in the way, so we were able to go back there. He was last time he came, but now that the gate's closed, we can't go back there. There's no trespassing sign. So we're gonna try to see what we could do, make of it. I'll work my magic. He's about to just drive off and it's gonna...
If it doesn't hit it, it's just the fucking exhaust fans.
Good old views. Turn it more and go in more. You're good. You're good right there.
He's all lead.
They sell like fries with like different kinds of chickens and shit.
Fries and chicken?
It's like where what is it, Heritage Park is?
I know there's a fucking place down there that they sell fucking like, probably fucking cows. They just killed and shit like ribs. I don't know if it's open.
Yeah, man, if you're willing to pay for some ribs, I'm down for ribs too.
But if we could come back, fucking, what a bitch like, where you guys come from? Mexico? I don't know.
Alright, cut. Guys, that was a good one.
I'm all.
I messed up the script.
Hey, I just met a friend and now I close off. Yeah, drop around whoever bet it goes off. Yeah, Patty doing backflips, showing off. Yeah, and if I gotta land, I'ma stick it. Baby, let it go and you gon' miss it. Wrote this with the Cartier pen, do I sound different? Overseas and back, I was round tripping. I've been, what? I've been pop whipping, wrists on another rhythm. He been block switching, don't know how you ride with him. Got a supermodel, wanna be a dime missus. All my niggas, they be on them out of town missions. Wasn't hearing me before, okay, but now listen. Pushing 5 Cadillacs like a politician. I be in and out arenas like I'm Scottie Pippen. Yeah, pop whipping, wrists going 30 with it. Yeah.
Me and my bitch, I swear we like the same sex. Fuck with all my chains unless I chain 6. Sir, I hang with the gang, you get your fangs wet. Wanna kick with the gang, you gotta bang. Yeah. You gon' always on, gotta swing.